In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark 7, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Passwords Manager. If you forgot a password because it's constantly autofilled on your smartphone, don't worry, I got you. First of all, to check it out, you need to enter a Passwords Manager. To do it, go into Settings, scroll and click on this section called Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then choose Open under Cocoon. Click on Cocoon Password Manager, and finally, to check any password, click on it. Enter your current login method and use this eye icon right next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!